Dear Gym Owner, here's a step-by-step guide on how you can add your gym managers. Step 1. Log into your gym admin portal with your email address and password. Then click on Manage Business and select Gym Managers. Step 2. Click on Add Gym Manager and input their details: first name, last name, email address, phone number, date of birth, and gender. Step 3. Select the gym location and send an invitation to the manager you want to add. Step 4. The invited manager will receive an email containing their login details and a temporary password. They should copy the password, open the login link in the email, and click on Login to PayGym. Step 5. The gym manager can then log in to the gym admin portal using their email and assigned password. After logging in, they will be required to set a new preferred password and click Proceed. Once logged in, the manager will have access to the gym management features, including updating gym information, viewing clock-in history, and accessing the gym wallet. Congratulations! You have successfully assigned a gym manager.